Hi guys, welcome to yet another episode of Unlocking Minds. If you like this video, please like, comment and share this video. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to it immediately by pressing the bell icon. Today I am going to speak on a journey from negativity to positivity, on how a person can turn from a negative thinker to a positive thinker. So firstly, we have to understand what is a thought. A thought is basically a mental cognition which includes our ideas, opportunities, beliefs we have about ourselves and the others around us. So these thoughts are formed by our genetics, environmental situations and life stressors. These thoughts are basically in our conscious control and we can control them if we want to. These thoughts are not something which is happening unconsciously. So we can control them. So it's very easy to control these thoughts. So these thoughts are basically divided into positive thoughts and negative thoughts. A positive thinker is a person who has a very optimistic attitude towards his or her life. A positive thinker, thinks that a situation is there. I see there is something good in that situation, whatever be the situation, even if the situation is very challenging or has lot of obstacles, but a positive thinker always sees good things happening to him, even the situation is worse for him. And there's an example of a glass being half empty or a half full. A person who is a positive thinker, he sees a glass as half full. A negative thinker is a person, who sees worse situations, worse possibilities, thinks of worse possibilities in every situation. Even if someone says something bad or something good, the person does not take it lightly or, feels like this is not right. Whatever is he or she is saying is not correct. I am a failure, I am a loser, I cannot achieve anything in the life. Even if the thought is very untrue, but still a negative thinker always, thinks that way only. He sees the glass as half empty. He does not see the other aspects of his life, that he or she may be good in something or the other. So how do we have negative thoughts? We have negative thoughts because of maybe some depressive thoughts, depression. These negative thinking and depression are interrelated. Depression can be caused due to life-threatening disease, or maybe due to this pandemic which is going on right now. Maybe this corona cases are going up. This can cause negative thinking. That if suppose I get corona, what will happen? These gets a lot of, these thoughts go in a circle and this negative thinking continues forever. And so how will you understand who is a negative thinker? A negative thinker is a person who fears change. Any deviation in his routine, makes him feel stressed. A negative person always, blames others for his problems. He never sees his faults. He always shows the weaknesses of others. He feels that if I show their weaknesses, my insecurities to failures may go down. So it's better, to blame others. And a negative thinker, always, feels that my needs have to be met. It's not important that the others, whatever is happening to others, that is not my business. My needs have to be met. A negative person, never says sorry. Even if he knows that I am at fault, but he never says sorry. A negative thinker, feels that the life is going on, let it go. I won't take any step to change it, or I won't take anything. This is happening, it's going to happen, it's okay. I won't do anything. I won't take any step. A positive thinker, tries to change the situation, but a negative thinker, he feels like, no, it's okay. It's going on, let it be. It's not okay. I will not do anything for it. I deserve this. A negative thinker, he feels that whatever is said to him, whatever feedback is given to him, be it constructive criticism or anything which is negative about him, the person does not take it seriously or does not take it, okay, it's saying. But, he just picks up the bad things about what is said about him and he just follows that. He does not say if a person says something good about it, the person does not listen to it. He just picks the bad things which is said to him and he follows that. And so now, how will you cure yourself from these negative thoughts? So first of all, it's very important to understand a thought style. How will you understand your thought style? So, every thought, you have thoughts, you follow a pattern. These thoughts, if you observe, you will see that it follows a pattern. How will you understand that? It's very important that you maintain a thought diary. We all have written diaries in our childhood. When we were small, we used to write diaries of, daily things that this has happened, this has happened. So in the same way, if you write, diary in that manner, if you write in a diary and you write your thoughts with the incidents, this will help you to understand that these are the negative things, these are this way, this will help you, this can, help you, to develop your thinking skills and will help you to understand how will I solve my problems. This will give you more way to move towards positive thinking. You can understand that, oh, this is the situation, this has happened. If I had done it this way, then I could have, handled this in a better manner. So, your thinking process also opens and, your brain activity increases, which leads to, your negative thinking going down and positive thinking going upstairs. Next is, if you are having these negative thoughts, it's very important that you stop these thoughts. How will you stop these thoughts? If you are alone and you are having continuously negative images in your minds or negative thoughts in your minds, you say stop on your face. You shout and say stop. No, I can't have these thoughts. No, I don't need these thoughts. Otherwise, if you are somewhere else, you can go to the washroom, splash your face, or if you are having these thoughts, you say, you count 100 to 1 or 1 to 100. This way, this will keep you distracted and these thoughts will go down. Next is you need, if you are a negative thinker, you need very, high amount of rest. Most of the time, if we are hungry or we have not, sleep deprived, we, have these kinds of thoughts like this is going to happen. This is going to happen if they happen. Our body needs an amount of rest, or 8 hours of sleep or 7 hours of sleep, whatever be the situation. We need that. So please do that. Next is practice self-talk, positive self-talk. If you don't, say positive things to yourself like, yes, I am going to rock it or do it. In the morning when you wake up, start a day with a positive note. Say that, yes, this day is going to be good. I am going to find, I can do a lot of things in my life. I can proceed. I can complete this challenge. Every day we have hell lot of challenges in our life. If we start a day on a very positive note, we can definitely win over these negative thinking problems. Next is, practice a gratitude journal. Every day if you start by saying thank you to people, this will help you to understand or, help people in a better manner. Lastly, avoid triggers. It is very important that you avoid triggers. Like, how can you do that? It's very important that you minimize contact with those people, who give you negative criticism or say negative things about you. Please avoid these people for some time. If you feel like, this person is not good for you, for your physical and mental health, then please avoid that person. If you avoid these triggers, then it will help you keep calm and composed. You won't face any problem. You will have a very good day. There are a lot of people in our community or society, say a lot of things like, where are you going? Why are you going? What are you doing? Why are you doing such thing? Please avoid these people. Even if you are going outside, if you having a positive set of mind, but then you meet these people. If it's possible, I don't know it's possible or not to avoid such people, but try to, minimize the contact as much you like. And more importantly, when you have such thoughts, you have to keep yourself busy. If you are focused in some activity, these kind of thoughts don't come back. But if you are, distracted or you have such thoughts, then, if you are free, then, there's a saying in English that an idle brain is a devil's workshop. So why are you giving a chance to a devil to make a workshop in your brain? So you have to, focus on keeping yourself busy. When you know that you have negative thoughts, whenever you feel like these thoughts are coming in your mind, please try to, divert your mind into something productive activity like listening to music or maybe gardening or maybe even you can, do exercises at home. This will help your body and the mind to be active. Like if you give your chance mind to, focus on all these things, then it will keep on going and nothing will change. You won't be able to change yourself. So I think these are the few techniques from which you can, change into a positive thinker. And I hope that if you follow these techniques, then you will have a better life ahead. Best of luck and thank you.